Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see an example of 6 input K-map. Here we have a function provided with sum of min terms at these locations. Now if you look at the function, we have 6 variables. 6 variables mean we are going to have 2 power 6 different orientations. 2 power 6 mean we are going to have 64. So we need to have 64 small boxes in K-map in order to solve this problem, in order to derive the final expression. Okay. Now 64, the maximum possibility of having a table is 4 by 4 table. That's the maximum we can have. So since we have 64 different orientation, we have to have 64 small boxes. So in 4 by 4 table we have 16, right? So we have to have 4 by 4 table in order to do this problem. Now let's go ahead and draw the K maps. So since we need 4 boxes, let's go ahead and draw the 4 boxes. 4 tables. Okay, this is my first table, and then we are going to have another table. Like this. And we need 2 more. And 1 more table. Okay, let's draw this one in the bottom. Okay, so we have 4 by 4 tables. Now let's go ahead and number them. Okay, so it's start with 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0, 1, 2 should be here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then 16, 17, 18, 19, then 20, 21, 22, 23, then 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, and then 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and then 60, 61, 62, 63. So this is how the numbers are going to be. Now let's go ahead and label the locations. Now since we are having 4 tables and we have 6 variables, 2 of the variables we have to take it out. So first the highest variable, like A and B, we take it out. So A and B are going to be in 4 different alignment. Like we are going to have A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, and then here we are going to have A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, and here we are going to have A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, and for the first one we will have A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1. Okay, we have taken care of A and B. Now the parts that's left is C, D, E, F. So we put C, D here, E, F here, C, D, E, F, C, D, E, F, and then C, D, E, F, and then we number each of them 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1110 0001 1110 0001 1110 0001 1110 0001 1110 0001 1110. Okay, now we have labeled everything. Now let's look at the locations where we have 1. Here we have, they have provided at 2 we have 1, at 2, 3, and let's use a different color. Let's use this one. Okay, 2, 3, 6, 6, 7, 8, 12, 8 is here, 8, 12, and then 14, and then 17, and then 19, and then 21, 23, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 40, 44, 46, 46 is here, and then 49, 49 is here, 51, 53, 55, 57, 59, 61, 62, 63. Okay, now the first thing is we know that when we do K map, we know that 16 is better than 8, 8 is better than 4, 4 is better than 2, 2 is better than 1. Okay, so first we have to look at the position where we can get 16. Now when we do 6 input K map, we have to know that these 4 tables are on top of each other. Like this one is on top of this one, and then this one is on top of this one, and this one is on top of all of these, right? So whenever we have the terms like in one location, it means if we have the same terms in the other location, it means it's adjacent to each other. We can combine them together. So we have to know in similar locations, if we have something like, for example, let's look at an example. Let's say we are going to, like, we don't have any 16, we can make 8. We can combine this one, this 2 and this 2 with this 2 and this 2, because since they are on top of each other, they are adjacent, these terms are adjacent to each other, so we can combine like this and make 8. Okay, now since we don't have 16, that's why we move to 8 next. So 8 is here, so this is 8. For this one, A is, for the first table, A is 0, here A is 1, A is changing, so we don't have to worry about that one. Now let's look at B. B is 1, B is 1, B is not changing, so we have to put B. How about C and D? C and D. C is changing, 0, 1. D is not changing, 0, 0, so we have to put D bar. And then let's look at E and F. E is changing, F is not changing, so B, D bar, F is going to be the expression for this one. Now let's look at another possibility of getting 8. Do we have any other thing? We have taken care of this one, and also if you look at this one, we can combine these 4 and these 4 together, because both of them are in the same location, right? Same location, and they are adjacent to each other, so this is the another one we can take. Let's look at the expression for this one. A is changing, B is not changing, so we put a B. How about C and D? C is not changing, D is changing, so we put C. C is 0, so we put C not. And then D is changing, we don't have to worry about that one. E and F. E is changing, 0, 1, E is changing, F is not changing, 1, 1, so F is not changing, we put BCF, BC by F. Okay, and the next thing is we had to look at any other possibility of getting 8. Now if you look at this one here, we can combine let's use a different color. We can combine all these 8 together, right? This 8. Let's express this one. Since all of them are occurring in one table, A and B are going to be same thing for this thing, right? So we have to take A and B into this one. Since both of them are 1, we just put it as it is. And how about CD? CD is changing. C and D are changing. E and F. E is changing, F is not changing. So we have to put A, B, F. Okay. And this is next one. Do we have any other possibility of getting 8? It's look like we don't have anything else, right? We don't have anything that's matching with the other tables. So there's no more 8. Now let's look at the possibility of getting 4. The next thing is we have to look at the position where we can get 4. Now if you look at this one here, and here, and here, and this one here, all of them are in the same location, so we can combine these into 4. If we do that, A and B are changing because A is 0, 0, 1, 1 and B is 0, 1, 0, 1, so it's changing, so we cannot take these two. How about C, D and E, F? For this one, since it's occurring in one place, C, D and E, F are not changing. So C, D is what? 1, 1. 1, 1 mean we have to put just C, D. C, D and E, F. E is 1, so we put E. And F is 0, so we put F naught. Okay. And this is for this one. Do we have any other possibility of getting 4? And if you look at, do we have any other possibility of getting 4? Okay, this one and this one. These two are occurring in the same place, right? These two are occurring in the same place. So this is what, this is A and, let's look at A and B. A is changing, B is not changing, so we put a B naught. How about C and D? C is not changing, so we put a C. D is changing, so we cannot take that one. E and F are not changing, so we put E bar, F bar. Okay, and that is for this one. Now let's see whether we have any other things. We can combine these 4 together. Let's use a different color. We can combine these 4 together. For this one, since it's occurring in one table, we had to take into consideration of A and B. Since A and B are 0, we had to put A naught, B naught. How about C and D? C is not changing, so we put a C naught. D is changing, so we cannot take this one. E and F. E is not changing, so we put an E. E here. F is changing, so we cannot take that one. So this is going to be the expression for this one. Now let's look at a position where we have another 4. We can combine these 4 together. These 4 together. If we do that, for this one, E and F are changing, C and D are the only thing that's not changing, and also since it's occurring in one table, we have to take A and B. A is 1, B is 0, so we put A, and since B is 0, we put B naught. And then E and F are changing, C and D are not changing, so C and D are 0, so we put C naught, D naught, and that's it for this one. And we are left with only these two, right? So we can just make it as a separate group, like this is going to be just one group, these two. Okay, for these two, since it's occurring in one table, we have to take A and B. A naught, B, and then we have C, D is not changing, E and F. E is not changing, F is changing. So since C, D is not changing, we put C, D, and E is not changing, right? And the F is changing, E is 0, so we put E naught, and that is going to be our final expression. And that's how we do a 6 input K-map. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.